Good morning everyone. Today is 5th of April 2025. So today I am planning to go visit Kyoto and Nara Deer Park and Nara Buddha Temple. So I heard that it is the largest Buddha temple in Japan. So I have my Suka pass. So with the balance of like 1400 yen. So I have to put. So I have to go to Umeda. So from there I can take another train to Kyoto. So I am tapping here my Suga pass. Yeah. Now the balance is 1462. So now I have to go to Umeda. So just I have to check my train like platform 1 or platform 2. So you can see platform 2 is Namba, Umeda, Shinosaka. So I have to go to Umeda. So I have to take platform 2. So that is very easy. So no need to ask anyone. So I think train is there. So I'll just. So this train is ready, going to Shinosaka station. But I have to get down at Umeda station. So only 2 stops from here. So very convenient seats. Yesterday night also I took same train. So this train is very convenient. So only 2 stops. Sorry, it is not 2 stops. It is almost 6 stops. Now I have to get down at Umeda. Umeda is coming now. So from there I have to take another train to Kyoto. So first I will have breakfast at Umeda. I am already feeling hungry. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. So yeah. So then I proceed to Kyoto. So I got down this train at Umeda. So it was 6 stops. Sorry, not 2 stops. 2 stops only Namba. So where I have to go to airport tomorrow. So that is Namba. So this is Umeda. This is 16, M16. So I got into the train at M22. So I have to take this line, Hankyu, you can see. So left side. So this Hankyu Kyoto line, it will go to Kyoto. So this is very clear. So you can see the map here, Umeda station map layout. So you can see right side is Tanimachi line, Yotsubashi line, so Hanshin line. So left side is and right side is JR line to Osaka station, Midosoji South Gate. So and tickets are right side. So you can see Hankyu line, I have to take that, and JR line Osaka station. So this is not. So these are the gates again. So I have to tap my Suka card. So yeah, you can see the balance 1222. So 240 has been deducted from my Suka card. So a ticket from my hotel to this Umeda line. So now I can also see the balance. So I have to search for a restaurant or anything to eat. Then I will go and take train. So I have to buy also ticket because I don't have JR pass now. Yesterday itself it has been expired. So now I have to buy a ticket to Kyoto. So I have to see the map and buy the ticket. So I have to take that Hankyu line. So you can see Hankyu line red train. So see the people how they are going to offices in the morning in Osaka. So in this Umeda metro station. This is very important busy station like Namba, Umeda. So these are the important busy stations in Osaka. So I'm going to buy 1 chips packet, 3 chips packet, fruits. So I am buying this. 1 chips packet, 1 chips, and there's fruits, apple and juice and everything for 697. So I have given 5,000 and my change is 4,300. So I bought 2 donuts here. 1 donut is 216 and 1 donut is 248. So it is very nice actually. So they are looking at me. So I have bought this. So you can see this original donut is original glaze is 216 and another one is caramel is 248. So you can see Hankyu line. So 2F, second floor, central entrance. So there is also express bus, Hankyu, Sanbangai, but I will take train. So it is faster. It only takes 54 minutes to go to Kyoto. So I have to do entire Kyoto city tour today, and then I have to go to Nara for Deer Park. See, I will show you how to buy a ticket from this automatic ticket machine. So we have to select language English, then select buy a ticket. So it automatically coming important stations. I have to go to Kyoto Kawaramachi. I have to select this, and one adult is 410 yen. So I have to insert coins here. So I already done it. So when you insert coins, so the ticket will come automatically from this slot. So it is very easy, and it is very no need to depend on anyone. So these automatic ticket vending machines. So you can see how many machines are available. So almost 8 machines. That means these 8 machines are working 24/7 and covering 8 people. So see how much money they are saving. I have used these gates and inserted my ticket and came inside actually into the platforms using my ticket. So I can also use Suka card, but it's fine. I have already bought a ticket, so I use it. For Kyoto, I have to go 1, 2, 3. I have to take this 1, 2, 3 route. So I'm going to Kyoto Kawaramachi. So you can see tracks 1, 2 and 3. So it is clearly mentioned. So 4, 5 it is going to 4, 5 tracks. It is going to Takarazuka, Kawanishi, Nosukushi, Ikeda, Ishibishi, Handai, Sumino, Mozail also. So I don't know all those cities. They are not famous. At least internationally not famous. Maybe nationally. So I have to take Kawaramachi. So see, Limited Express. So one platform 1. So it is coming now. So I have to. I just missed one train. Almost like 20-30 seconds. I was late. So I was checking different platforms and taking the recording video. That's all. So now again I have to wait 10 minutes because this is weekend. So you can see Limited Express because this is fast. So I will take this 9018 train number. So it will come at 9:40. Another one is 9:50. Next 10:10, 10:20. So every 10 minutes train is there. It is a rapid. So this is the platform tracks going to Kyoto from Osaka because they are very big cities. Biggest cities, top comes in top 3. That's why there are several trains running between Kyoto and Osaka. So you can see the tracks. So and people going still it is a weekend, so it is very busy. So this is a train I have to take going to Kyoto Kawaramachi. So the only woman only car, so I should be careful. And there may be first class, so I have to board only second class, economy class. So this is the train Limited Express, means Rapid Express to Kyoto Kawaramachi station. You can see Kyoto Kawaramachi. So you can see Limited Express. That means very limited stops. So it will go very fast. So first passengers are getting down from that door, and after that the doors will close and these doors will open. Then we have to enter into the train. So till that time you have to wait here. Or if they want to clean the train, just say they will clean it and they open the doors for us. So doors are open. See the seats. They're excellent. So I am going to sit here. So let me check if it is forward seat facing or backward facing. So yeah, so see the train. It is very beautiful, even though it is running between Kyoto and Osaka is around 60 kilometers. So still beautiful. It is the first time I am traveling by local train other than metro and Shinkansen. It is trains connecting to different cities. So this is Osaka at Umeda station. So this is not looking less than Tokyo because this is second biggest city in Japan. So definitely it will look like Tokyo.
short.
This is Osaka, south of west of Japan, not south. You can see the flight. You can see the skyline. You can see the another train, similar train. So you can see the Osaka skyline.
Va a salir Rojo. Y parece. Tengo más sombra acá que en realidad, ¿no? Claro. No estoy bueno así.
Igualito.
¿Y mi pau?
También igual.
Interesa, pero me veo. Bueno, entonces.
I have a fellow passengers from Argentina, so I will talk to them in Spanish using Google Translator. Just I will ask them how many days they are going to spend in Japan, how they find Japan. Is it Argentina, Buenos Aires is better than Tokyo, or some questions. Not going to Kyoto? You are not going to Kyoto?
No, Kyoto no. Bamboo Forest.
We're going to New York.
Ashibashara. El Google indica todos los trenes que pueden tomar. Por más que el que tomamos no es
The train going to Kyoto from Osaka. So there is no gap. So entire stretch is covered by towns. So all developed. So I couldn't find anything which is underdeveloped in this route. So even though it is Osaka is 520 kilometers far from Tokyo. So this area is also, this is called West Japan. So this area is also very well developed. So it looks like entire Japan is developed already. Developed in the year 1970s. So that's what 60s and 70s. So that's why we can't see anywhere poverty or slums or poor people. There might be some places in poor people, but they are poor in the Japanese standard, not in Indian standards. So this is very well developed country, because this is number 2, used to be number 2 in GDP. So it's with only 11 crores population, and it is number 2. US is number 1, but it is 33 crores population. The size of the US is 3 times more, not 3 times, maybe 6-7 times more than Japan. So this Japan is still ruling in electronics, semiconductors, cars, automobiles, bikes. So they will rule for next decades. So there is no stoppage for Japan. You can see sakura, blooming flowers.
1号線へお越しください。次は烏丸となります。出口は左側です。
This is another town. You can see schools,
Station number HK.
kids playing football.
Transfer to track 1.
Okay,
Bye.
yeah, thank you. Same to you.
Pleasure meeting
Bye.
you.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a nice
Yeah,
day.
thank you. Yeah, thank you. So using Google Translator, I was just talking to one family, Katsura. This is Katsura, one family from Argentina. So they are going to visit bamboo forest today. So she is a lady, so her husband and her daughter. So son is just sleeping in the hotel. So son didn't come today. This is the family. The journey took 45 minutes. So now we have reached Kyoto Kawaramochi. So from here I want to visit a castle and a couple of maybe temples. Sorry. Yeah. So this is Kyoto Kawaramochi. It took 45 minutes to come here. So again this train is going back to Osaka. See the rush today. So today is weekend, Saturday, but still see we can see the rush, big rush. So I will put my trash. So this chips packet, chips cover and everything into the trash bin here. See, everywhere trash bins are there. They are separate. Newspaper, magazines, one thing. Bottles, cans, PET bottles and other. I have to use this ticket. I bought a ticket. Actually it is not required because I have a Suica pass. But I have bought a ticket. So I just insert here in the slot. So the ticket will go inside and it will not come out. My destination is here only. So my journey ends here. So I am coming out of Kyoto Kawaramochi station. So I will go to information help desk because I have to visit 2-3 places in Kyoto. So this is Sakura. So this is blooming flowers. So for this reason, so in this month March, end of March, April first week, so people from all over the world, they come to Japan to visit these Sakura blooming flowers or spring season, the start of spring season. So this is Kyoto, former capital of Japan, so before Tokyo. So this used to be the capital of Japan. See the rush. This is very, very important place historically, culturally. So this is still maintaining traditional Japanese way of living, way of buildings, temples, castles. So this is very, very, very important when you visit Japan. So Kyoto is must. Kyoto, Osaka, Tokyo, these 3 cities we should must visit. So if people are enjoying this sakura flowers. So you can see people taking, even Japanese people taking photographs, videos. So this is the entrance of Hankyu line, Kyoto Kawaramochi station. So these are the buses in Kyoto. So I'm just now thinking how to go to Kyoto Castle, temples, Buddhist shrines, sorry, not temples, shrines, they are called shrines. So I have to find a way. So I can use Google. It is saying I can take a bus. It is only 2 stops, bus or tram, I don't know. So I have to check. So this is the problem. If we come to any new city, so initially it will take like 30 minutes or 1 hour to find out how to navigate in the city. So once we get used to it, so it will be easy. It is just cakewalk. So now I am thinking or researching or looking how to go to I had a type of caramel big cake, so there is also nice seating area here. I had this caramel ring, so which is for 290 yen, and I asked them to warm it up in the oven, so it was very yummy and it was very big, so it's good for to fill up our stomach. So this is a Dotor fast food center. So we have also seating upstairs, we have toilets, washrooms, everything. So this is a 290 I have paid with all my coins here, inserting coins here and return change. So this is Kyoto main road. So this is very, very busy, looks very busy, so with lot of visitors. So I think Kyoto is the most visiting city in Japan. Maybe it comes in top 3 apart from Tokyo and Osaka. Here shrines, they are very famous, popular. So their buildings, their architecture. So I was speaking to one lady who works in that Gion area. She told me to visit that Gion area. So let me go there and visit some shrines. So I will take any bus. Just go into Tofukuji temple, Kiyumoji temple. So this is Kitashirakawa, Shibushiko, I don't know where it is going. I will ask this person, I don't know whether she's lady. Gion? Which number bus?
201, 203.
No, coming now?
Okay.
Thank you. So I asked her. She said I have to take 201, 203 to go to Gyeon. There's a big temple complex. Taken this bus to go to Gyeon. So see, you can see Gyeon Shijo station. So it's just third stop from here. So it is 2 kilometers. So I thought it's better to take a bus to conserve my energy. So you can see Gyeon. Looks like that is the main entrance of the temple. So I have the bus. See the driver. So he's looking like a pilot with his cap, with his microphone. So he's not less than ship captain or airplane pilot. So I have to go and spend almost maybe 2 hours in that temple. I got down this from bus 207. So at Gyeon, Gion, Gyeon is the area. Main important temple complex is located. Is a 206, 207. So then is a 230 yen. So I just put my Suka card along, like there is a machine beside the driver. So just have to tap there, not getting inside, but coming outside of the bus. So then 230 yen has been deducted from my Suka card balance. So now I have to go to this temple. So this is beautiful temple complex. So I think it is Shinjo Shrine. Sorry. So you can see Indians, visitors coming from India in groups. So this is the traditional Japanese dress. I think they wear when they visit temples. So I think we can also take on rent. That mainly I see ladies wearing the dress, not gents. See. So this is the route which I came from. See the people, they are coming in big numbers. So this is the main street, and that is also one more road. See the people. So I'm just getting inside the temple. So no eating, no drinking, no sitting here. You can see the statues. I don't know what is this. This is typical Japanese style. So there is one more statue, like a Jaya Vijaya, our gatekeeper Dwarpalak. So there are 2 people. So and then we are entering inside of the complex. So all the toy shops, food stalls. So we can wash our hands if you want to. Oh, we can't take photos there. I don't know, photography is prohibited. So there are several Japanese restaurants, small hotels. So, but it's not for me. So it's a juice stall. So photography is prohibited. This is only for worshippers. So this is one more. Cheese sticks, omelets, noodles, non-veg, kebabs, non-veg. Everywhere non-vegetarian. It's difficult to find vegetarian here. So as you can see, this is something with that fruit. I think it is yam. So yam. This is wakasaki tempura. I don't know. This is looking like a pizza. Japanese pizza. It's just a pancake. So see how it is preparing. This is Japanese pancake, 500 yen. So they are putting some numbers in the cover. And it is a big cover, it is 100 yen, 1000 yen. It is a small cover, it is 500 yen. The pancakes are ready. See how these doing the dough. So it's just grinding the dough or mixing it properly for proper mixture. So now you will pour it into this. Oh, he's doing another one. So he has to, yeah, that's it. That is ready. He's just checking the texture. Yeah, if he feels that is ready, so he's just removing them from the mold. So I think now he will pour dough into that mold. So looks like egg is mixed in this one. So now he's pouring the mixture in that one dough into the mold. And closing it. That's it. It will close, it will bake, and then you will remove, and you will come to this. And again you do the same thing. People are making their wishes. They are offering some small coins in the shrine. So and they are just folding their hands and clapping their hands, clapping their palms, and asking something, or offering, or taking wishes, or asking something. So I will also put some coins, and I will also ask something. This is the temple complex, Gion Shrine, Gion, Gan Shrine. So this is #1 visiting spot in Kyoto. So I think there are several temples in Kyoto because it used to be capital city of Japan. So, but this is a bit further towards west. So I think that might be the reason they have decided to make Tokyo as a capital, because it is like center of the Japan. Or maybe the king Edo, or anyone who was ruling at that time. So he might have decided to make Tokyo as a capital. So it is, we can't say. There might be several reasons moving capital city from Kyoto to Tokyo. But now with bullet train, just we can reach Kyoto within 2 hours 15 minutes. That's it, from Tokyo. So it's not an issue. So during that time they used to go by bullock carts or carts, or horse carts. So that is the reason it used to take time. Now it is era of bullet trains. It's only 2 plus hours in to reach Tokyo. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.